So we have word problems today. Now the cool thing about word problems, or at least these word problems, is that they're going to give us the formula. We just have to figure out what to plug in where. So our notes today are all examples. And it's not going to be as scary as it seems. So let's look at example 1. Okay. Example 1. The total time in hours, T, so wherever you see T, that's talking about total time, it takes to drain a swimming pool that holds W gallons of water, is represented by this equation. T equals 2W minus 1200. If a pool holds 2,000 gallons of water, how long will it take to drain? Where am I going to plug in 2,000 gallons of water? Is that T or W?
W.
It's W. So we're trying to solve for T. So T equals 2 times 2,000 minus 1,200. Okay, this is order of operations. So what do I have to do first? Multiply 2 times 2,000. Good. So that is T equals 4,000 minus 1,200. So T equals what? 2,800. And what is T? T is time. Is it minutes, hours, seconds? What is it? Hours. So 2,800 hours. Make sure you put the units in there. So part B. This one's going the opposite way. If it took 5,000 hours to drain a pool, how many gallons did it hold? So where am I going to plug 5,000 in for T. So this time, my equation is 5,000 equals 2W minus 1,200. So I need to solve for W here. What do I need to do first? Add 1,200. So let's add 1,200. So that gives me 6,200 equals 2W. And then what do I do? Divide by 2. So W equals 3,100 what? Gallons. Good job. So W equals 3,100 gallons. Alright, example 2. The amount of weight W in pounds John can lift depends on how many times T he goes to the gym each week. The equation is W equals 20T plus 5. How much weight will John be able to lift if he attends the gym 5 times a week? Is that T or W? T. So we're going to plug in 5 for T here. So this is W equals 20 times 5 plus 5. This is order of operations. What am I going to do first? 20 times 5. What does that give me? 100 plus 5. So how much can he lift? 105 what? Pounds. Example 3. A shower drips D ounces of water every S seconds as shown in the equation. D equals 3/4 S plus 9. How many ounces of water will it have dripped after 6 seconds? Where did you plug, or 16, where did you plug 16 seconds in? Into S or D? Into S. So D equals 3/4 times 16 plus 9. Okay, what did you do next? You multiplied? What did you multiply? 16 and 3/4. So how'd you do that?
Put a 1 under.
Put a 1 under 16.
Then cross cancel.
And you cross canceled? So 4 goes into 4 once, and 4 goes into 16 4 times. So that gives you 3 times 4, which is 12, plus 9. And what is 12 plus 9?
21.
21 what? Ounces. Okay, so D equals 21 ounces. Who got that correct? Who put ounces? Who remembered to put ounces? Good. Okay, part B. How long will it take for it to drip 120 ounces of water? Where did you plug 120 in? So D equals 120. 3/4 S plus 9. So we need to solve for S. So what did you do? I did plug in D. So now what? Subtract 9.
Subtract 9 from
120 minus 9 gives me 111 equals 3/4 S. Okay, I need to get rid of that 3/4. So what did you do? Multiply by the reciprocal, which is 4/3. So the 4's cancel and the 3's cancel. So I ran out of room, so I'm going to put it up here. 4/3 times 111. What did you get? Or how'd you do it?
111.
Okay, so we multiply the tops. 4 times 111, so that's 444, over 3 times 1, 3, equals S. And does that reduce at all, guys? It does. It reduces by 3. What's 144 divided by 3? 148 what? Second. Okay? Fractions are not that bad. Don't give up just because you see a fraction. Okay, example 4, last one. The height of Jack's beanstalk in feet, F, is related to the number of days, D, it has been given water. F equals 1/5 D plus 100. If the beanstalk is 300 feet, how many days has Jack been watering it? Where am I going to plug 300 in? For F or for D?
F.
For F. So 300 equals 1/5 D plus 100. What do I do? Subtract 100. 300 minus 100. 200 equals 1/5 D. Now what? I need to get rid of a fraction, so I'm going to multiply by the reciprocal. So we multiply by 5/1. The 5's reduced and the 1's reduced. So that gives me D equals 5/1 times 200/1. What does that give me? 1,000 what? Days. And that's it.